Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you stopped by, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Sheh and welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I thought of starting a series of declutter in our home, not just for the videos, but I thought before the holiday season is starting. Actually, I have not decorated yet. I'm planning to do on the first week of December. So before that, I wanted to organize, declutter and thoroughly clean our home and get ready for the holiday season and the new year as well. I was so inspired by Natalie Bennett's YouTube channel. She has a series called Messy to Minimal. I really started it with our living room and only keeping the things which my toddler play with most, favorite toys and the needed things in our living room. And today I want to start with our kitchen. There are 6 drawers. It's a little kitchen we have and I'm so thankful for what we have, but I wanted to really reduce the things which I'm not using. I'm analyzing like when I'm not using for 6 months or at least a year, when I have not used for the all 4 seasons, that means that I don't need that thing at all, so I could survive without it. So I wanted to donate them and to make it lighter in the kitchen. So without further talking, let's get started. Alright friends, time to tackle the drawer number 1. First, how I did is remove all the things from the drawer first, vacuum cleaned it, wiped it, and then start to organize it. And during the organization, I was dividing the things which I need, maybe which I would not use or which I would need not very often, and started to categorize accordingly and only keep the things in the drawer which I would need every day. I wanted to show the real stage of my drawers, and it's very cluttered. I try to organize, clean it then and there, but it's difficult to maintain it. So this decluttering may really help me. I think decluttering is not just a one-time process. It's something that we have to do continuously to minimize the things. Then it's easy and it's fun to clean the house. do you have a drawer at your home where it's functioning as a dumping place or the center? I try to categorize the drawers, like the cutlery and the spoons, knives together, breakfast items together, baking products together, etc. After decluttering and organizing the whole drawers, and after a while I would keep an update in my channel how it goes, how was for me to maintain it, and maybe when I do a declutter session 2, I would also like to share with you all. Honestly, friends, it felt really easy and lightweighted to do decluttering, and in the beginning you don't really like to get rid of your stuff, but take a stuff and think for a while, are you using it for a past year? When you have not using it, maybe you can donate it to a person who might use that. Friends, this is my first video of recording it. I hope I have done a good job, so that it's an inspiration for you as well. And go and check, start with a small place, a small drawer, and yeah, tidy up, organize it. And it's actually, in my point of view, is easy to keep it clean and organized when we keep the things only necessary. That means which we only use it for our day-to-day lives, and we buy a lot of things actually we don't need at all. So this is like a start for me. I hope this is something different from my usual decorating videos, but soon I'm excited to decorate our home for the holidays, for the Christmas, and I'm excited to bring those videos for you as well. So till I meet you in another excited video, bye bye and God bless you.